cold. I'll grab some blankets from my bed, wrap them around your chest, and I'll pull you close. We'll flip some channels to find out there's nothing on right now to ease your mind. Sit back, relax, there is no rush, no need to speed things up. All we have is time to think about the future, forget about the past. Time to figure out a way to make this moment last, to make this moment last, to make this moment last. So let's make this the kind of love that we've been dreaming of when we sleep at night. We'll get a little house to live in, have a couple kids, and we'll sleep tight. 'Cause baby, all we really need are just a couple things to stay alive, and everything else in between. Just trust my heart, you'll see we're slowly coming. We're not getting any younger, standing here, and now'll be a good time to look in the mirror. You can see we're growing older, year by year. Sing over and over, soon disappears. Holding back something that seems so cold. It can even mean nothing, but no one knows until we go out there with open arms. We may never know cold hands, it's a warm heart. Give me something to hope for, something to believe. Can you tell me you want more for you and me? Give me something to hope for, something to believe. Can you tell me you want more for you and me? We're not making any progress, so stop right here. And now will be a good time to face your fears. You can see where I stand still, and it's so clear. We're close enough to fall through, you were far too near. Give me something to hope for, something to believe. Can you tell me you want more for you and me? Give me something to hope for, something to believe. Can you tell me you want more for you and me? And we stick together through thick and thin, through the stormy weather. Wars, peace will win. We follow our gray skies and they will cover it. But to the beautiful blue eyes, and now they sing, and we sing. Something to hope for, something to believe. Can you tell me you want more for you and me? Give me something to